Welcome everyone towards modern public administration is what we will be talking in today's video. So the question is about IT sector and how do we go across with it? If if competition, agility, and community is to be taken into concern, the competition are huge. Agile making a company agile has to make a company agile for its own sustenance. The public perception is volatile. This is a VUCA wall. We are talking about community. Everything is volatile. Well, everything is ambiguous. It is not very clear as the sector comes around it. Now, in terms of government sectors, we are entering, or in fact, the government itself is promoting, probably forced to enter into the government commerce or transacting everything on an online platform, seeing the huge traffic in the social media. The government, come what may, the traditional government, the modern government, the new age government, all are encouraging, in fact, embracing the information technology, and that is where the governance is shifting to, making the operation of the government very transparent at the making it available at the fingertips of the citizen thereby. So open is the new trend, if I may say so. That builds in trust because of the transparency that is there. Now, what are we looking into it? We are trying to engulf all kind of government arms and executionary positions into and integrate them into an online platform, so that it has been identified, so that it has been trusted, so the dissemination of information is easily done, proliferate. So delivery of EIDAS, what we are looking at, we are talking of making the people empowered with knowledge, with information, and faster execution in terms of feedback, discussion, asking. There is what we are trying to encourage the social platform thereby. So offer your assets, and your assets can be anything, which is data, which can be notification, which can be services. You are looking at e-government APIs or APIs, open APIs, the programming languages which is supposed to be done. It's all about API. Now these are your asset. This is where you are making it public into in the public knowledge, the public domain. So easy delegation. What is it we are looking into it? First and foremost, and we are talking via social media. It was Instagram, it was Twitter, it was X. As of today, it is Facebook. You name it, and we will be in a positions to allow anything and everything that comes across it. That is what we are around what we are talking about. We will ensure things all together. The application ecosystem, if I may say so, there are plentiful applications which are available. In fact, government nowadays has its own applications to proliferate its services. um, Easily available to make an appointment with a medical professional in a premier government hospitals via an app. You can make an appointment. You can book your government-run transport system, be it in the years, be it in the as in train, as in other fleets that is available out here. We need to go around it. So there is a host of applications available right in the private public domain by the private companies, and so does it is happening with the government companies thereby. So open is not the trend. It is right now becoming a norm altogether. It is the normal thing to be and around your customers. The service design, what do we look for it? We are trying to use and enhance the user's interface as far as look is concerned, feel is concerned, usability is concerned, giving the look which is appealing to the end customer, make it much more harmonious, making it uh, much more straight forward to it, basically prompting the customers to use it. Basically, in fact, the more they use, the more they will fall in love with the integration process. This is how people are getting hooked into the social media, and the government service delivery has been done on an online platform. The usability is all about intuitive functionality, and uh, and appealing altogether. So designed for users at the end of the end, it's at the end users compatibility, interface, understanding, experiences, that everything, every application has been designed. So we are working with the users. The forms are more or less interactive. They are very strict, very agile. We are talking about product adjustment as the case might be. Then what we are looking into it, we are looking into client-centric approach, my data, GDPR. What we are looking into government management, public relation, government departmental public relations can be had accessed via data. It can be a unique ID number. It can be a citizen account. It can be anything that we look into it. Everything can be integrated. There is something called proactivity, and CRM methodology is with now proliferation into the government mechanism or government department or government functionaries, or should I say government ministries per se, as the customer relationship management. Goals for future is to have a satisfied citizen, a satisfied customer, a satisfied employee, be it the governmental employees and non-governmental employees. The digital adoption is the way to go around it. And once and only once, in fact, slower than ever, every government, more or less approximately 50% of the total government across the world has already adopted the e-government gov mode of application, and the rest 50 are catching up fast. Remember, less of a governance is better for a government to function. With these words, I end this video. Thank you for watching the same.